If you make good money, but you still feel broke, there's a reason for it, and it's probably not what you think. It's not that you don't make enough, it's that you've never actually seen where your money's going, like actually seen. I paid off $43,000 of debt and built a multi-six-figure net worth using this exact strategy. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the 3-step process to help you find $200 to $1,000 a month without needing a second job or selling that weird thing in your basement on eBay. And the first step is actually the most important, because before you can fix your money, you have to see what it's actually doing. It's called the 3-month look back. You're gonna be going through the last 3 months of however you spend money, bank, credit card transactions, and categorize everything. Yes, groceries, restaurants, subscriptions, shopping, travel, all of it. No guessing, just facts. And almost every time someone does this, they find something shocking. And that gap is your opportunity to find the extra hidden money in your finances. But here's the mistake that people make next. They see those numbers and they immediately try to cut everything. And that's not how this works. We all know that that's not gonna work. You're gonna burn out. We're gonna have that seesaw effect. We're gonna have a couple of great months, a couple bad months, and it's gonna be this repeatable cycle that you can't get out of until we get to step 2. Before you change anything, you need to decide what actually matters to you. So write down your North Star goals. These are things that matter to you the most: life goals, financial goals, non-negotiables. What are you actually trying to do with your money and your resources, right? So provide a great life for your kids, maybe travel more, buy a house, retire early, get in better shape. Because if you don't define this, you'll just keep spending reactively. We want to be flipping that on its head and start spending our money proactively. So let me know down in the comments, what's the one thing that you would put on your North Star goal list right now? And then step 3 is where we combine those 2 activities together, the 3-month look back and the North Star goals. We're gonna go back to our spending, and we're gonna run everything through this 3-word filter: more, same, less. And basically what I mean by this is things that are on your North Star goal list, we want to be pushing more money towards those things. We're telling ourselves that they matter to us the most. So why wouldn't we be putting more resources towards it? Things are the same. Think like utilities. Nobody's going to have utilities on their North Star goal list, but these, we kind of need them to live. We like electricity and our Wi-Fi and scrolling TikTok, whatever everyone does, right? And then less, these are things that you're spending more money on than you're telling yourself is important to you. So something like delivery, food delivery, restaurants, things like that. With all the people that I've worked with, this is something that's almost never on anyone's North Star goal list, yet it is one of their highest expenses, and it's one of those shocking things that they see, and then they're like, oh wow, we need to be just reallocating this money to put somewhere else, into something that we care about more. Because you're not just cutting your lifestyle. That is not what this is about. We are reallocating your lifestyle. And there's a big difference there. Less on things you don't care about, more on things that you do care about. And that's how people are finding $200, $500, $800, $1,000 a month. The goal, quite honestly, is not to spend less. It's to spend intentionally. The amount of people that I see online that are talking about how, spend less, cut, it just doesn't work. It's great to do in short little periods of time, but as a lifestyle change, it is not going to work. You're going to burn out. The seesaw effect is going to be in full swing. It's going to feel great for a couple months, then you're going to be on the downswing. And if you zoom out far enough, this seesaw just looks like a straight line and you've made absolutely no progress. And if you want help doing this 3-step process, I'm running a 6-week challenge. There's more information below this video, or you could just watch this one right here.